tutorials. In this particular tutorial, we will learn about how to install MySQL server on an Ubuntu system. We will use the command line utility, or you can say options called apt-get. So let's start with it. If you are installing it for very first time, it will ask you to enter the root user password. This is not the Ubuntu system's root user, but this is the root user for your MySQL server. So be very careful and don't get confused. There are two different root users. By default, the administrator user for MySQL server is also root user. And we also know that Linux has also a super user or root user, administrator user called root. So just enter the password twice, and then it will install all the required packages for your MySQL server. It will also install the MySQL command line client, which will help us to connect to the MySQL server, and we can perform different tasks and required operations on the MySQL server. So now it has completed installation of MySQL server on my Ubuntu system. Now we need to check whether it has started or not. You can use this command called processes. It is running. Now to connect to the MySQL server, we will use a command called mysql, which will by default connect to the server, and which will give you some sort of read-only privileges. It will not allow you to connect and get the super user privileges because we are not connecting as a MySQL root user. So as you can see, you have only access to the test database and information schema database. We will learn about information schema in coming video tutorials. For now, just to check, if you want full access and super user access to your MySQL server, then you need to specify root and need to enter the password. And now if you check, then it will give you full access to all the databases. So hope you are able to install the MySQL on your Ubuntu system. See you in another video.